If you don't respect your mother, you are not connected with Allah in the proper way. The reason is, Allah created you and chose your mother for you. You need to give her and offer her kindness and respect. Man ahaqqun nasa bi husni suhbati. We mentioned this hadith so many times, where the Prophet ﷺ said, who is from among all the people most deserving of my good companionship, my kindness? And so he said, your mother, your mother, your mother. You know the hadith, right? And then the fourth time he said, and your father. When you love someone and you love them dearly, think about someone you love. You love them so much. I'm sure you guys have someone in your minds, right? Oh, the way you're nodding your head, I hope it's halal, bro. You have someone in your mind, I love this person so much, right? Would you do anything to hurt them? Would you do anything to be in their bad books so the relationship is disturbed? Would you do something like that? The answer is no. Why don't you want to do something? Because I don't want to spoil this relation that I have. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I fear spoiling the relationship with the one I love. So this fear is born out of tremendous love. Do you understand the point? Because I love Allah so much, I fear getting into the bad books. Remember, your success and my success is connected to my connection and yours with the one who made me, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If I have a connection with Allah through my prayer, through my ibadah and my worship, through my do's and don'ts, then I have succeeded. The minute I unplug, the electricity is off. You can have a sophisticated apparatus. You can have an amazing iron or hoover or microwave or stove or whatever it may be. You can have a Tesla, one of those electric cars. But if there is no electricity, what is the use of that? It just looks nice from far, but it doesn't work. There is no electricity. There's nothing to plug it in.